Hi, everyone. My name is Patrick Lee Brown, and I'm not only your mentor during your entire partnership program with PLB Investments LLC, but I'll also be the one in charge of these training videos to offer you better insight into exactly how we use Wholesaler Pro 1.0, your very own inbound marketing system, which includes a mix of setting up cold outreach campaigns that will help you convert more inbound leads, offering you a chance to get 25 to 30 warm leads on your own every month. So, welcome to your first training session in a three-part series. This is your acquisitions training demo, part one. Agenda. In this training session, I will cover the following topics: pulling leads, filters, Google Sheets, Lumrid, SMS setup, email setup, sequence, and follow up. Let's get started. Pulling leads. This will help you find your desired target market and eliminate any risk of a bad contact list. So be sure to select which market you want to select and why. You must have a population of 100K or more, medium income at least 35 to 45K, and target estimated value of 100K to 250K for it to fit the wholesale exit strategy. The reason why we're focused on 100K or more as a population is because you want to not be in an oversaturated area, or else you're just in a bad area and there's going to be no deals available for you to chase. The reason why we select a medium income of 35 to 45K because this is considered middle class in most neighborhoods, and this offers you a chance at good schools, good grocery stores, walk scores, parks, nightlife, etc., all of the above, and it just makes it more attractable to investors who are willing to invest in that area. The target estimated value of the property needs to be 100K to 250K. The reason for this is because anything that seems to be over 350 or higher is usually a person that owns the property free and clear. And those are the type of people that will want retail price for their property, and they're not going to budge on their price. We wanted to go after properties that signal distress, but will also take a quick discount or a quick cash out to walk away from the property and offer us the opportunity to make money from it. Step number one, you will need to select which type of leads you'll need to target, which is single family, multifamily, townhouse, land, or condo. The way that you're going to select your filters is based on reverse wholesaling. We're not doing the standard traditional wholesaling where we find leads and then get them under contract and then try to match them to a buyer. That doesn't work. That's a waste of time. We're going to do reverse wholesaling. With reverse wholesaling, you'll be able to understand your buyer's criteria from building your list and understanding what their motivation is, whether they're doing rentals, portfolio building, fix and flips, land deals, whatever be the case. Then you could pick your filters by that buyer's preference. Step number two, you need to decide which filters you'll be focusing on. We suggest the following: tax delinquency, tired landlords, and vacant type properties. Step number three, cleaning your list is very important for this option as you would need to pay attention to active numbers by usage. Select emails that are active by confirmation of usage and matching ownership data to the subject property. So when you pull your information from your acquisition system or deal machine, you're able to actually see the phone numbers that are being used the most and the emails that are active emails that are their current emails so that we're not getting bad contact rates. Next is filters. By selecting the preferred filters, you'll be able to access those type of sellers who are 80 to 90% more motivated to sell. These filters that you need to focus on are considered as tax delinquency, tired landlords, vacant, absentee owners, out of state, and likely to move. I want you to also keep in mind that each time that you select one of these filters, you'll also be challenged with the type of conversations that you'll be having. The same conversation that you expect to have with a tired landlord is not going to be the same conversation you expect to have with a tax delinquency. I'll provide you all the scripts and the type of formulas you'll be using for each one of these filters. So be sure to check the resources and tools section after you're done watching this video for more information. Google Sheets. If you're using a Wholesaler Pro 1.0 system to get your very own inbound marketing seller leads, you will need to clean this list that you download from. Step number one, pull your seller leads list according to your filters and download the list to your computer. Desktop recommended. Step number two, add your new list into Google Sheets and then name the list according by filter used. Do not double stack because starting out, you're going to want to run an A B test setup. So you're going to have one list of tax delinquency and one list of absentee owners. Do not jumble them and stack them because then you won't get the same results and you won't know exactly which filter to start working on and start using for that market. Step number three, clean your uploaded list by cleaning the list to the information only down to first name, first email, first phone number. This offers better results. Step number four, upload your new seller list into Lumrid. This will allow you to clean your email and organize your new list to start creating your email campaigns. This will include your callback number and your sequence schedule. So usually you're going to set up in a sequence, and when you do get to that point, you'll be able to, by your third sequence, you'll be able to include your phone number, your business website for people to fill out any information about their property. Next is Lumrid. This software is used for cleaning up your contact list. You'll be able to improve your delivery rates and gain access to a scrubber that will give you only good emails. This improves your bounce rates and keeps it practically down to zero. You want to try to improve your delivery rate by making sure you have good emails. Because if you have bad emails, then you're going to have a bad bounce rate and your email is eventually going to get shut down. You don't want to have to go through that. So, what we've done with our proven system is we learned how to send all that information from the emails that we pull from Deal Machine into Lumrid. And once it's pulled into Lumrid, we're able to scrape which emails are currently being used, which ones are being most active, and which ones are the most relevant ones you can contact so that you're actually going straight to inbox and not to spam. So what you're going to do is upload your new list from Deal Machine. When you download the list from Deal Machine, please make sure that you're able to select DNC and D duplicates and exclude landline as a download filter because we're only focused on cell phone numbers. We're not focused on landline numbers. After cleaning your list in Google Sheets, once you're able to clean your list and fix it to have first name, first email, first phone number, then you upload as a CSV file. Please be sure that when downloading from Google Sheets that you download as a CSV file. And your final step. When using Lumrid, this will consist of making sure that you only select the good emails once you run a clean list order. Only then after do you start making or create SMS and email campaigns will include sequence follow-ups. This will usually consist of you connecting to like an email account called Mail Meteor, right? When you're running your email campaigns. And in that email campaign, you have one or two options. You have a free option where you can send out 50 offers a day. And if you pay $25 a month for Mail Meteor, then you can send up to 250. But that's later down the line when you start making more money. You can still use the free account. With the free account, you're able to set up a sequence. And then in that sequence, you're able to also put in your follow up responses. So there's also autoresponders included in the system. Next is key performance indicators. After you have established your own email and SMS sequence plus follow up campaigns, then you need to revamp as needed to get the response rates to 90%. It could take anywhere from 7 days to 30 days to get your better responses, but stay diligent and retarget as needed for better results. So, let's say, for example, if you're doing tax delinquency by email and you're sending out an email letter saying, "Hey, my name is such and such. I work in um, I'm a tax delinquency advocate, and I like to help people who are in debt to figure out a solution, et cetera, whatever be the case." And let's say you're not getting the response rates that you would expect from it, and you're probably only getting like 30 to 40% open rates. The campaign is still good, but maybe you need to change your wording. Maybe you need to, change your subject line for people to open it up because people usually read the subject line of an email before they open it up. So if it's something catchy, they'll open it up. If it's something that entices them to find out more, they'll open it up. It's just all about you being able to revamp and retarget. And if the filters that you're using is giving you not anywhere close to that 90% rate, and it's been over like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then you'd obviously want to change your filters to like absentee owners. You always have to go through all of those top six filters that we have selected before, just to figure out which filter fits for your market and which ones you can concentrate on the most. So, running your emails, you want to send the email sequence setup of 3 emails that will include no reply, reply, and if opened. When you're doing your SMS campaigns, you want to send a follow up message only if the email campaigns are getting no response. Then you only send an intro text. "Hey, my name is, this is my business, and I'm looking to buy properties in XYZ area. Are you interested in selling your property?" Simple intro. If they reply yes, whatever, then you can continue the conversation. If they don't reply, do 2 more follow ups, which is usually just like a sequence of follow ups. You can either wait 24 hours, you can wait 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever be the case. If you want to contact neighbors, you want to contact relatives, find out all the information in Deal Machine, you could do so. But we usually stop at 3 follow-ups. Usually after the fourth one, it just becomes annoying and you're just kind of spamming the person. So we only do like a due diligence of only doing 3 follow-ups. And if no response is completely at all, we just move on to the next lead. You want to be able to get your contact rate to 90%. Between email and SMS, you need a 90% contact rate to book an appointment. If no reply, just fix your filters. You do want to get it to a 90% rate because at that point, you've had 2 or 3 exchanges with the person's a conversation. Maybe they are interested in selling. And then at that point, you can move them into a warm lead area and then get a booked appointment. Like, "Hey, we'd like to discuss more about your property. Let's move forward." And then you can go ahead and start having that conversation and then start moving do the process of getting them under contract, setting up an EMD, finding title, keeping them informed, etc. All of the above, all the way down to the closing. We do have optional VA services. So if you like to outsource your manual task and you don't want to do the manual task of setting up your SMS or your email campaigns, and you just want to be able to pull the list and send it to a VA agency, if you would like to do that, to assign them to inbound marketing services to the VA agency, please book a call with me. If you would like to upgrade, if you want the results of the 25 to 31 leads a month, then you can purchase our VA services at $750 to $1,500 a month, depending on your needs and budget. With a lead manager, it costs $1,500, and without a lead manager plus a setup fee is $750 a month. Here's my contact info if you're definitely interested. You can reach me on my phone, my email, my website, and this is also my mailing address for my business if you'd like to get in contact with us either way. But thanks for watching. This concludes your acquisitions training, Wholesaler Pro 1.0, Series 1, Part 1 acquisitions training. See you in the next video.